Setting up large security systems shouldn't be complicated. Ruijie Reyee makes it effortless. With Ruijie Reyee, you can secure your networks with top-of-the-range products, accessories, and software. And with automatic self-configuration, you waste no time on site repeating tedious setup procedures. Direct all information with both managed and unmanaged switches, ranging from a 4-port PoE all the way to a 48-port Gigabit Layer 3 switch. Help your clients feel connected everywhere with wall, ceiling, and outdoor access points, and stretch that connection with wireless extenders and bridges that range up to 5 kilometers. Keep everything in the Ruijie Reyee family by fitting their Wi-Fi routers, offering both gigabit and mesh system options. To keep things simple for yourself and easy to explain for clients, keep your own branding products and Ruijie Reyee's products on the Ruijie Cloud, where you can create a build of materials and map out everything exactly to your client's floor plan with AI heat maps. With the ability to see entire sites from your phone and map where everything is going to go right in front of your clients, why wouldn't you add Ruijie Reyee to your arsenal? Get yours at Luxrite.